These are the switches from Leobog, the Leobog Graywood V3 switches. These switches are 3-pin and has a Kale switch housing. Long story short, these are cheap and is compatible with almost any mechanical keyboard in the market. Now to talk about its specifications, they are a light linear switch that only needs about 40 grams of actuation force. The top housing is clear PC, the stem is made of palm, it has a 19mm long spring, the bottom housing is made of nylon and has a claimed lifespan of 16 million clicks. Altogether, with a very light layer of factory lube on the stem rails, makes these switches smooth right out of the box. To top it all off, they are just 25 cents per switch, meaning these are most likely the cheapest factory lube linear switches in the market. They claim to be Thocky, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that.